Alright, today let's prepare a super tasty special Manglorean beef fry, exactly how my mother used to prepare in the past. I have 1.2 kilo of beautiful beef, okay, and then I have a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of spicy chili powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, and a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder with a teaspoon and a half of salt. I've got water and I've got vinegar. That's it. We will cut it into slices, pressure cook it, and then fry it on a pan, and then we'll have beautiful potato wedges on the side of it. So I will make my marinade and keep it aside. Vinegar, okay, and then we will make a good mix of it. Okay, not many ingredients, just simple few ingredients, and you will see it's going to be a delicious, tasty dish. It goes very well with a nice bowl of boiled mutton rice or the Manglorean brown rice. It's going to be very tasty, eh? So I've cut my boneless meat that way into say around half an inch pieces, yeah, and then we will marinate it with this beautiful mixture. Minimum ingredients, maximum flavor. So that is how I will marinate each piece, yeah. Be very gentle, and then we will place it here, okay, and then we will keep it to rest for around half an hour, and we will throw it in a cooker. Oh my god, it's going to be delicious, trust me. Oh my god. So my marination is complete. I've just washed the marinated plate to collect all the masala. So we'll drop it in here into this beautiful cooker, and then we will drop the marinated meat. There you go. We're not wasting anything. So it's all in a cooker now on a low medium flame. Let it just cook. As soon as it cooks, we will close the lid and cook it on a low medium flame for say 20 minutes. So I've sliced my potatoes and they are all ready. I'll just sprinkle some salt and then keep them aside for a shallow fry. I have made the pieces as slim as possible so that it can cook in between, inside, and fast as possible. So we'll put a teaspoon of salt and we will mix it all well together. Mix them well. So this bad boy is almost ready to close the lid on top, and it's fine now. Looks like time to put the weight on. In the meantime, I'll fry my potato. For that, I've taken a nice pan and we put some nice cooking oil. Drop the potato one by one. Okay, nicely there, and we will fry them until they are golden brown. It's overcovered, but I just got all in there. Which, keeping a bit of oil. Turn them around. My fries are looking good, and I will slowly take them and drop them aside to cool down in this beautiful strength. You can call them fries or you can call them potato wedges. We will check this bad boy after the 20 minutes. Voila! Mama. Looking pretty, and I'm sure it is cooked. So to reduce the water, you have to keep it on a high flame, and so that you get all the masala, thick and nice, and it will have a nice coating. Very simple 5-ingredient beef fry. Okay, obviously it's boneless. There you go. It's getting better and better. The water is reducing. And also, just to remind you, see, there is no ginger garlic paste, no garam masala, no onions, nothing. Simple 5-ingredient beef, Manglorean beef fry. Almost there. Okay, now time. Also, the sauce, we can keep it aside. If any of you want it more spicy, once the meat is fried, you can use the sauce as a nice dip, alright? Now let the bad boy cool down, and then we will fry it in this lovely one by one. Gently place them one by one. All the pieces are there, just around 3 minutes on each side, and then turn it around and it will be ready for you to serve with some beautiful basmati rice. And there you go, time to turn it around. Voila, that's what you need. Okay. So all the pieces are turned around and you wait for another 3 minutes. Time now to take off these bad boys because they are fully fried and oh my god, delicious. If you wish, you can garnish with some coriander leaves, but otherwise you can leave it just the way it is. So we will drop the leftover sauce. We will put it. The beautiful beef fry Ambot Tik is now ready. Believe me, you will enjoy it. Thanks guys, enjoy.